Okay, we picked up some space by these cabinets on the sink wall, not stepping out, but rather the sink is sunk into the wall 6 inches. So we have this red line represents 36 inches. And that's pretty much from countertop to countertop. From the front of the fridge leg, we've got over 42. If we bring it to the countertop, it's more like 47, which you're going to want space for these doors to open up and be able to walk through there. Your microwave cabinet. This is the side of the cabinet with the glass doors. Right here, glass doors, glass shelf. And then that's the radiused countertop. So this is parallel with this wall here. And this would just be a smooth, radiused wall that's painted black. It would go to the floor. It wouldn't sit on a toe kick. And then your countertop overhangs a foot along this side. So if we measure across here, you have 74 inches. So there's 3 bar stools here, easily on the back side, and then possibly one underneath here, because you're going to have a pretty big cavity on the underside here, as you can see. And as far as how far into the room this comes, so that's the end of it. So if you draw a line out from the door case, just draw a straight line out 90 degrees, and then from the edge of the countertop 30 inches. So from that corner out 30 inches. Okay, let me know. Thanks.